Hello and welcome. My name's Shannon Harrod, and as promised, here I am to show you exactly how you can get a website up on the internet fast and easy. Unfortunately, most people don't get their website up because they think that it is too hard, that you cannot do it, that it takes some type of amazing computer education. Well, it doesn't. You see, I came into this industry knowing absolutely nothing about HTML, websites, hosting, domain name servers, web addresses, and everything else. I was totally clueless, and I was able to teach myself exactly how to get all of this stuff done. Now, the reason I tell you that story is to say that, hey, you don't need this huge education to get an internet site up on the web, and you can do it fast. So today we're going to start with the basics, and again, I am assuming that you're at the point right now where you want to get a website up on the internet. I'm not going to talk about research, picking a niche, and things of that nature in this training series. I'm just going to strictly show you how you can get a website up fast and with the least amount of effort as possible. So first thing we're going to do is go over to my favorite place to buy domain names, and that is Namecheap.com. So here we are at Namecheap.com, and basically what you want to do is create a free account, and you can do that by coming right up here and clicking on sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up, and that's going to take me to the sign up page, and I'm simply going to fill out the information and create an account. Now after you've created an account, you want to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and I'm going to do that using my handy dandy password tool, and it's called LastPass for any of those that do not know. And actually I'm going to go back to the home page right now. Okay, so alright, now I'm creating a product called Memberships by Design, and basically it's going to show people how to create a membership site, how to start out, plan out the membership site, build it, and bring it to fruition. And part of that training is going to be what we're doing right now, what I'm showing you. So let's look and see if that domain name is available. So, whoops. Memberships by Design. Alright, so membershipsbydesign.com. We're going to search for that, and I know it's available. Excuse my internet connection. I know it's available because I have done it before or searched for it. So it's available. So I'm going to add this bad boy to the cart. So we add it to the cart, and I happen to know that there is a coupon code called NC 2011 right now that will take about $1 off of that. So I'm going to apply that. Alright, and it took about $1 off. Okay, now if you don't have a coupon code and you want a coupon code, simply go to Google, do a search for Namecheap coupon codes. There's always one out there. Alright, now I'm going to click on checkout. Alright, so as we check out, we're simply going to enter all of our information in. Now, once we enter all of our information in, we're going to copy everything from this. So we're going to copy everything from an administrative contact, and I need to fill in my, whoops. For the rest of these, I'm just going to come down and I'm going to click copy registration from, copy information from registrant contact. So copy from registrant contact. And then once I'm done with that, basically what I'm going to do is just come down here and click on save. Okay, once it's saved, you can enable WhoisGuard, and basically it's free for the first year, and that basically just blocks who you are and what your address is and things of that nature. Okay, next, alright, right here, here's the big thing, name server settings. Now what a name server is basically it tells the domain name where your hosting is and where that hosting resides. We're going to use, right now we're just going to leave this on use our free name servers. So we're going to use their name servers as default for right now until we get hosting, and we're going to get hosting in the next step. But we need a domain name before we get hosting. That's why I wanted to show you this. So we're going to use their free name servers, okay? And we're going to click Save and Continue. Okay, once we click save and continue, it's going to ask us how we want to pay. Now I'm going to pay, actually, let's see here. I'm going to pay with a PayPal checkout. So we're going to click on PayPal checkout, and that's going to take us to our PayPal account so we can pay for this domain name. It's $9.28. So when it gets there, it's going to ask me to log into my PayPal account. So I'm just going to click on the login button is all I'm doing, and that's going to log me into my PayPal account. Once we're logged into the PayPal account, it's going to ask me to verify how much the actual invoice is, and if I want to take it from my PayPal balance and things of that nature. So as you can see here, it's coming straight out of my PayPal balance, and I'm just going to click on continue, and continue is going to pay for that domain name, and it becomes that easy to pick up a domain name. And as you can see, within 5 minutes, we've got a domain name ready for us to go get hosting with, inside of a reliable account with Namecheap, that isn't as crazy as GoDaddy. And that's why I don't use GoDaddy, because I've had a domain yanked from GoDaddy for no reason because I was doing direct sales on it. So I use Namecheap. I haven't had any problems with Namecheap. I'm completely happy with Namecheap. And right now I'm going to show you the page. It's processing my order. So if you see this, don't be alarmed. Don't click any buttons. Just let it process. Once it processes, you're going to have a printable receipt. What we're going to want to do is click print so we can have this for our records. And that, my friend, is how you get your domain name. Now what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to show you exactly how you can get your hosting set up for this domain name that you just got. Once we get our hosting set up, we're going to get our website set up, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how easy it actually is. Now what we're going to do is, in today's training is going to end once we get our hosting set up, because we need to let the domain name servers propagate. And basically what that means is it needs to propagate across the internet so that everyone can reach your site, and that usually takes anywhere from an hour, 20 minutes, all the way up to 24 hours. So just so you don't get frustrated, we're going to end the training there, and then we're going to pick up tomorrow on getting your website up and going. So let's go ahead and end this video here, and we'll jump back in with the hosting video, where we'll show you how to get your hosting up, how to transfer the domain name servers to the hosting, and how to add a domain name to the hosting account you just got. So it's really as simple as that. And all right, so thanks. Have a fantastic day, and hopefully I'll see you on the beaches of the world.